Hello there! The Easter day is coming, so we need to prepare for it in advance. In this video I will show you what type of book you need to create based on Amazon website and the method how you can make it fast. So stay tuned till the end and you will figure out everything in detail. For those who are new here, my name is Konstantin and I'm doing a video about making money online with Amazon KDP. So if you still don't subscribe to this channel, I recommend you to do it right now. So let's talk and more action. Let's go to the Amazon website. This is Amazon website. As you see, I typed Easter coloring book. There is 4,000 results. There are a lot of different type of books and you can choose whatever you want. But you need to remember the vital thing that I remind you all the time. So you need to find such kind of niche where there are not so many competitors but a good demand to sell your book. To do it, you need to install the Helium 10 extension and then just click here in the search bar and there is different categories, different niche you can check. For example, in our case it's Easter coloring book, but we can check Easter coloring book for kids, but I know that it's too competitive. So for example, let it be for adults. Check, there is 1,000 results and so on. Let's delete these words and check another one, for example for toddlers, 2,000, a little bit more. And for example the next one will be for kids ages 4 till 8. 20,000 results. Too much. So let's go back to the adults. And now we need to check are the demand for this particular niche is good or not. In this case we need to install DS Amazon Quick View, this extension, and it will show us the BSR, best seller rank of each book. Here it is, 24,000, 81, 75, 100, 23 and so on. As I said in my previous videos, the best niche is where the competitors are less than 1,000 and you can find on the first page 3 books with BSR less than 300,000. So we checked that this niche is okay for us. Let's check the quality of the books. This one, and for example let it be, now it's bundle, for example this one. Okay. Let's check the first one. New release, so it's a new book, February 7. Okay. First page. Pretty easy. Okay. And the other pages. Let's check the other book. The same way. Check the interior. More difficult, it's really for adults, yeah, just for adults, because the previous one it's more for children. And check the next one. Oh, interesting, it was made more than 5 years ago. Okay, faster coloring book. I don't know why, but I can see the interior of this book. Let's click here. For example, okay, we see 4 pages of this book. Okay, now we understand what kind of book you need to create. And now let's go to the ChatGPT. In advance I made some research and I have a prompt that I will save in the description below this video that you can input to the ChatGPT. Let's go. And here is this prompt. Enter. And let's wait. And here it is, there is 3 prompts that we can use with Midjourney or DALL-E or whatever you want. In this case I will use Midjourney because I have a paid subscription and it allows me to use my images for a commercial license. So let's copy our prompt and go to the Midjourney. So here we are, let's start. Imagine prompt, Command V, and I want to add aspect ratio. First things first, so we need to understand what kind of ratio Midjourney can create. So there is documentation, user guide, parameters, aspect ratio. And here we are. So you need to choose what aspect ratio you want to create with Midjourney. In our case, we understand that we need to create a coloring book. So let's check on Amazon what the popular aspect ratio they use. So here we are. Let's check. As you can see, the dimensions is 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11, the same, the same, the same. So of course we can see there what aspect ratio is, but we can understand what kind of aspect ratio will be similar to this type of books. That's why I believe that 4:5 aspect ratio is more similar to the book that has 8.5 by 11 inches. So let's add it at the end. Aspect ratio 4:5. Enter. So here we are, we can check it, open browser. It is hard to choose. I like the second one, the fourth. Let it be this one, the second one. Let's go back to the Discord and upscale the second image. While waiting, we can take another prompt. Take the second one, Command C, again imagine prompt, Command V, and don't forget to add aspect ratio. R 4:5. Enter. And here you are, the second one, and this our upscaled image. In future we can just delete this text, it's not a problem. Let's check this image, open a browser, and let's see. Pretty nice. I believe this picture more for toddlers. No, not for toddlers, for children. Yeah, more for children. But this image has some glitch. I don't like it. The first one is okay. The third one strange. The same for this little boy and little girl. They has some problems with their faces. Okay, let's take this one. So upscale first image. While we're waiting, we can go to the Canva and create pages for these images. Here is Canva. The link to this website I also left in the description below this video. You can check it. Let's create a design, custom size. So for our book, we need to create these dimensions. Now let's take our first design. Let's drag and drop. Here's our image. Okay, now we can delete this one. Everything we need in Canva is just create the square, choose white color, and here we are, nothing else. So let's add page. The next page should be blank, and the third one. Now take this one, align to the center, and here we are. Our first page, second, third, fourth, fifth, there should be some image, and so on. I don't want to waste your time, so I hope you understand the main idea how you can create a lot of different pages with ChatGPT and Midjourney. Before my conclusions, I want to remind you, if you like this video, hit a thumb button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video and want to see and understand more. So now you understand how to create a different cool prompts for the Midjourney or DALL-E with ChatGPT. These start sentences that you need to put into the ChatGPT I also leave in the description below this video. You can take it and use it with your own ideas, so you can change it and ask ChatGPT to create for ages 2 till 4, 6 till 11 and so on, or just for adults or for toddlers, whatever you want, everything you can imagine. Before you will close this video, I want to remind you, you need to use only paid subscription of Midjourney to use this image for a commercial license, or use any other tools that gives you such kind of rights. And if you have any additional questions to this topic, leave them below this video and I will answer them as soon as possible. Now I told you about interior, but if you wanna know how to create the cover, I recommend watching this video. There I will tell you everything you need to know how to create a right cover with right dimensions. But if you're new with this channel, I recommend watching this playlist. There I collect every tutorial video you need to know to understand how to create a book and upload it to Amazon. Thanks for watching me, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!